is a tale of long ago. The land was full of dragons. They were big and men did run. Being on fire was not much fun. The villagers were a buffet like stomachs.
What's up, and welcome back to the Stoner Degree. Today we're doing an experiment. We're trying out with thighs, chicken thighs to be exact, and we're going to try to air fry them. Let's get started. Well, we have all the ingredients and all the meat right here. We're just starting off with the basics, but right now we need to focus on this right here, the magic bullet. I'm not trying to get advertised or promoted, but I'm finding that this might work a little better so that I can mix everything together. So you have your spoon. So if anything, the first thing we need to start off with is the flour. So you don't need much flour for this, to be honest. Let me show how much you're going to need. You're just going to need 1, 2, 3 of these. And that's, I say maybe just a little bit more. Maybe 4 or 5 scoops of that, like large ones, and you should be good. That's about right. And then, I know a lot of you guys don't like chips, but I love these Harvest Snaps. They're amazing. So, even though they're fairly big, and we want it to be a lot smaller, I'm just going to crush them up beforehand, so when they go into this, they'll be a little bit more finer to get crushed up in there. So we don't need to worry about them being all chunky and all this other stuff. Then garlic salt. We're not using the salt, we're just using the pepper. Italian seasoning. 2 tablespoons of paprika if you like it. But I like it red for mine. Dry basil leaves, not wet. Onion powder. Just a small bit of that. You don't want all that much. And red chili flakes. For a little additional kick. So now we take all of this, screw this on top, shake it about in there a little bit, put it on base. And if it doesn't start, that means you have to twist it to the other side and just press down and let it sit there until you're done. I think they're ready right now. Let's check on them. That is air fried to perfection. Make sure both sides were evenly cooked. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. I have a little piece of chicken right here to try. I think this is one of the best videos I've ever done. Oh my god. Okay. So, right now, we're gonna plate this up. Okay guys, we're not done just yet. Even though this is ready, I'm gonna make a sauce alongside with it. Nothing special guys, we're just gonna do something quick. I have barbecue sauce, so I like pouring some of this into here. And already, since it has the sweetness, I want a little bit more of the spice on that sauce. Sriracha, guys. Just add a lot if you like spicy, add little if you don't, or don't add any at all. It's completely up to you. And now that that's all together, okay, nice and spicy. One thing that most people don't know about barbecue sauce in particular, put it in the freaking microwave. I am putting it in there for only 45 seconds. Don't overheat it, guys. Do not overheat it. It's just going to taste yucky. Barbecue sauce that has been in a microwave for over a minute tastes disgusting. Trust me, you won't like it. Do it for the shortest amount of time possible, because then it won't taste terrible. And we have 15 seconds to go with this barbecue sauce. Before we eat anymore, this is already hot, but I like to make sure everything is well incorporated after because it's been sitting. So another quick stir, make sure that everything is nice and mixed up in there. Taste test. And I couldn't have any better. Okay, so this has had a few minutes to cool off. I'm going to try it by itself and then with the sauce. That was pretty good. Oh my god. Oh my god. That, I don't know what about barbecue sauce and chicken always makes it taste better, guys. Guys, look. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on Facebook.
Away, all you can eat and then some more. When beast got full and left us alone. Scatter, flee, and escape to live to fight another day. Run, run, don't be slow or be like a flaming marshmallow. Dragons never joined a pack, just solitary, that's a fact. Good thing for us or we'd all be snacks. An army of dragons would surely win. Companies of noble men it took to slay a hydra then, but they were so huge in power.